Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And it's been 6 months since we started using the Ecovacs T30S combo. And today we're giving you a full honest review after putting it through months of daily cleaning. Spoiler alert though, it's not just a robot vacuum. The handheld stick vacuum makes it a true all-in-one cleaning powerhouse. So if you're wondering if it holds up in real life use and whether it's worth the investment, stick around. Now, over the past 6 months, the Ecovacs T30S combo has been amazing for every cleaning. The robot handles all my floor surfaces, but what I love about the combo is the zero tangle technology, which significantly reduces hair and fiber tangling around the brush roller, a common issue in traditional robot vacuums. This technology is especially beneficial for households with pets or high shedding environments, as it minimizes maintenance by preventing hair from clogging the roller. The zero tangle design not only maintains consistent suction power by keeping the brush clear, but also extends the vacuum's efficiency over time, resulting in thorough, uninterrupted cleaning. This feature combines with the T30S advanced sensors and multi-surface cleaning capability to ensure a hassle-free, high-performance cleaning experience tailored to modern households. So this is what it looks like after the cleaning is done. And as you could see, it has a little bit of hair. Overall, it didn't have any tangling, so it's super easy to clean. Now, I can't tell you how many times I've had to sit there meticulously cleaning out tangled hair from the brush of my old vacuum. Like, pulling and cutting, trying to keep it from jamming. With zero tangle, that's a thing of the past. This tech actually prevents hair from getting caught up in the brush, so you don't have to worry about it constantly. For those with long hair, trust me, this is one feature that you're going to love in your robot. Even having to use it for 6 months, it doesn't have any tangles and I don't have to ever worry about it. Now, here's a secret. The true edge mopping is another standout feature that's been incredibly useful, and it's a standout feature for this vacuum. Most vacuums struggle with corners, edges, but the T30S naturally extends its mop pads for a near perfect edge coverage. Now, you might not think this is like a big deal at first, but if you're like me and you hate when robots leave those dusty edges on corners untouched, you'll appreciate this one. I've used many robots in the past that just skim over the edges, and I'd always end up having to go back with a handheld or even just a cloth to clean around the sofa legs or baseboards. But with True Edge, this vacuum actually recognizes and targets those commonly overlooked spots, making sure that every edges get cleaned. It's like having an extra set of hands to get those hard to reach areas, which is so satisfying. If you're someone who likes to truly thorough clean, this system is definitely a huge plus. For those areas that the robot can't reach, like baseboards or tight spaces, I just grab the handheld vacuum and get the job done. Super easy, right? Between the two, every inch of my house is covered, and no vacuum can do that. Now, here's another feature that helped me a lot. Like, maintenance has been almost non existent thanks to the all in one Omni Station. It self empties, and it has a hot water mop cleaning feature that elevates floor cleaning by using heated water to remove stubborn stains more effectively than cold water alone. This feature enhances the mop's ability to lift dirt, grime, and sticky residues delivering a deep cleaning that leaves floors visibly refreshed. This is best for homes with hard flooring, and this technology allows for a more hygienic and efficient cleaning experience without needing harsh chemicals. And after it's done mopping, it actually uses hot air as well to keep the mop clean so it won't stink over time. Now, this is what the mop looks like before getting cleaned in the all-in-one station. And then this is what it looks like after it's been cleaned by the station and it's been dried as well. Now, in the past, I've had to manually clean the mop pads or set them aside to dry. With this, it's all automated. The station washes the mop with hot water, dries it with hot air, and even takes care of the dirt and debris it picked up. It's basically a hands free experience, which is perfect for people with busy lives or anyone who just doesn't want to think about cleaning their cleaning tools. It even separates the dirty water with clean water as well. This feature is one of my favorites, hands down. Saving me time and effort to do, other things like watching TV. The smart features are also a huge plus because I can control it by saying, "Okay, Yiko." Okay, Yiko. Go ahead. Start cleaning. Okay, start cleaning. And it integrates perfectly with my Apple Watch and the iPhone as well. You can also control it via smart home devices like Siri, Google, or Alexa. Alexa, start cleaning with T30S. And as you could see, it initiated the cleaning. Now, don't tell this to anyone as well, but the T30S can actually do up to 11,000 PA of suction power. The T30S is incredibly effective on both carpets and hard floors. So I've tested it with a few things here with coffee and even crumbs like cereal that's been crushed and a few hair and maybe bigger pieces that some vacuums are not able to handle. But the T30S was able to do it all, and it's super efficient as well. I'm also super impressed because even on the bigger objects, it's able to do it one pass. It does want to do it a couple of passes, but on the first pass, it was able to do it really well already. Now that I've used the Ecovacs T30S Omni Combo for 6 months, here are the pros and cons so that you can make your own decision if you want to buy one or not. I think the pros of this is that the zero tangle technology. It's perfect for homes with pets or long hair. You never have to worry about tangled brushes. The other one is the true edge mopping. It's excellent at reaching edges and corners. I love how you can use this as well for multi-surface cleaning. You can smoothly transition between carpets and hard floors. And the all-in-one Omni Station helps a lot so that you don't have to maintain it too much. Now, of course, which I emphasize a lot here is the handheld stick vacuum. I love it for stairs, countertops, literally anywhere that the vacuum can hop up to. Your place will be dustless using this handheld stick. And of course, these smart features that you can control it from your phone and Apple Watch and using the voice control OK Yiko. Now, of course, some of the cons here is the price. You are paying for convenience because you're buying a handheld vacuum and a robot plus the all-in-one no maintenance base station, then you're paying for that price. But really, I think in my opinion, if you look at the price of a handheld stick vacuum from Dyson, for example, plus a robot vacuum, this is really worth the price. And most of the cleaning is done by the robot. Now overall, I'm incredibly impressed with the Ecovacs T30S combo after 6 months of use. Whether it's daily vacuuming, deep cleaning, or quick touch-ups with the handheld, it covers all the bases. Now after 6 months, the battery on the vacuum is still pretty good. It's still able to clean my full main floor without having to go back to the base and charge. Now the app shows you information as well, how well your brushes are and other components of the vacuum, so you can rest assured that they are still pretty good, as you could see here. During those 6 month period as well, I was able to change one of my dust bag, and that's all the maintenance I had to do, which is pretty good. Now I love how you can customize your map and label each room that you have, like putting living room, kitchen, or dining room wherever you want to put it. I also love how the app shows on the map where your vacuum went and where it's able to go. If you see the map, there are a few spots that it missed. That's because I have a coffee table in the middle and also a dining table and an island on the kitchen there. That's why it has that. I also like how you can clean certain zones only. So you don't have to clean the full house if certain zones need special attention. And overall, on those 6 months, I'm very happy with the Ecovacs T30S combo. Now, if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine, get a machine that really does it all. Check out the link down in the description below to learn more, or maybe grab one for yourself. It is an affiliate link and it does help out the channel a lot if you get it from there. And that's it for today, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you found this review very helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.